Hey people, you're welcome to another series show on Benjamin TV. As you all know, I'm Vivian Oliver by name, and today we're going to be dealing on something more interesting. Today's topic is basically going to be about sports, more about football. So make sure you sit and wait to the very end. So with me in the house is Mr. Ezobi Ndubisi. You're very much welcome, sir. He is going to be attending to the questions of today. Before we move straight into what we have for the day, I would like to say a very big welcome to our returning subscribers. And if you're new to our channel, you're very much welcome. Please hit the subscribe button. Feel free to like, and you can also drop your questions in the comment section if you have any. So without wasting much of our time, let's move straight into what we have for today. So over to you, sir. This sports football that makes everyone goes crazy and every do they benefit anything from it, like the fans and the players?
Yes.
Okay.
The fans and players benefit very good in the sport called football.
Okay.
More especially the players, because the tournament we are playing at the moment is a EKWULOBIA Unity Cup under 15.
Okay.
So in that under 15, we try to harness the young players and the most talented ones to know if they can play beyond EKWULOBIA and diaspora.
Okay.
So to come into the fans use the field and the tournament as a place to unite with their loved ones, their friends, their distant cousins and the relatives.
Okay.
So it's a very good avenue to unite people together.
Okay. Does the sports also, does it help in community development?
Yes, in coming to the community development, the football help a lot in community development, because it unites people together, and when community is united, development comes in very easily.
Okay. Regarding to the EKWULOBIA football tournament going on recently, can you tell us the person behind this idea of starting this tournament?
Okay, I'm the brain behind the EKWULOBIA Unity football tournament.
Okay.
Because when we came into office, the EKWULOBIA Football Association is having a very negative effect based on the organizing tournament and the rest of it. So we try to know what we do to bring the attraction. We try to organize, we meet people, call the stakeholders. When they came together, they suggested that we play something like this. So we went and meet pounds and dollars, which he helped, and we kicked off.
Okay, very good. Okay, so this final match that will be taking place on Sunday, are there any expectations towards the match?
Yes, it will be a great match, and people are loving the tournament already. So we are expecting to have a great match on Sunday, and we wish the two teams good luck. So the better teams will carry the day.
Okay. To you, is there any message you want to pass towards the people of EKWULOBIA regarding this match, this upcoming tournament?
My message to EKWULOBIA people is that they should come out in mass and watch their sons and their everybody come there and meet their people and support what is going on at the moment. Okay, very good. So you mentioned about pounds and dollars and also about EZEMIRI. So is there any message you'd like to give to them? My message to them is I pray for long life and good health to them. And then I pray also that God will protect them and make sure that they don't have a repo in their purses, so that they can live the fruit of their labor.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. So we've come to the end of today's session. We've heard everything from Mr. Ezobi. If you are currently in EKWULOBIA as we speak, try to come out on Sunday, being the day of the tournament. Come and cheer our future Messi and Ronaldo. So let's all come out. If you are not in EKWULOBIA, don't worry, it's going to be on the media, so you'll be able to watch it there. Having said all this, I would like to say a very big thank you once again to our host of the day, Mr. EZENWOBA. Thank you very much. And to you all out there that stayed to the very end, thank you very much for staying with us to the very end. So having said all this, have a nice day. Bye.